Welcome to ExamPadi. Our topic today is isometric drawing. In this lesson, we will explore isometric drawing, discover the importance of isometric drawing, and sketch an isometric drawing of a simple shape. Drawing a three-dimensional shape on a flat two-dimensional surface can be difficult. Artists use various methods that create the illusion of a three-dimensional shape on a flat surface, such as shading, perspective, and shadowing. Although an artist can strategically make an image appear to be lifelike, the image may not be drawn to scale. Engineers, architects, and those in other technical careers face the huge challenge of creating three-dimensional shapes on a flat surface. Their drawings are intended to represent real-life buildings or structures, and putting them on a two-dimensional surface is a task. The use of isometric drawing is beneficial and comes in handy for those working in these careers. Therefore, an isometric drawing is a drawing of a three-dimensional shape on a two-dimensional surface in which all three dimensions are drawn at full scale. Now, examples of isometric drawing. The purpose of an isometric drawing is to represent a three-dimensional item on a two-dimensional surface. So, when looking at an isometric drawing, three views are evident. The drawing of a cube is a very common isometric drawing. Three dimensions can easily be seen when viewing a cube. Like in this picture, this is an isometric drawing of a cube with a 30-degree angles shown. You will see the 30-degree and another 30-degree. The axis between that is 120 degree. And of course, here is another example of an isometric drawing. Now, what are the steps to draw an isometric cuboid? Because that's going to be our example for today. Follow the steps given to draw an isometric sketch of an 8x3x3 cuboid. The same steps can be used to draw an isometric sketch of a cube. The first step is to draw an isometric sketch of a cuboid with dimension 8x3x3. So take an isometric dot paper as shown below. So if you have a plain paper, create a dotted line. Step 2, draw the front face as a rectangle. Draw it and then you connect the dots to make a rectangle. Step 3, from the corners of the rectangle drawn, draw 4 parallel line segments as shown in the image. Step 4, join the corners of the image together as shown in this picture. Step 5, redraw the hidden edges as dotted line as shown. Then you have your isometric shape. Now, what are the importance of isometric drawing? Number 1, isometric drawing is used to give a clear perception of the object. Number 2, isometric drawing helps us to take actual measurements of the object. Number 3, it is broadly used to put down ideas easily before going into a detailed description of various parts of the system by various professionals such as game designers, architects, interior designers, infographics, and so on. Number 4, it is used to make quick design and construction of objects. Number 5, it gives a more realistic impression of the form of an object than orthographic drawing. And lastly, it is used in producing catalogs, leaflets, manuals, and so on by artists. Now, answer the following questions to test your knowledge of the topic. Number 1, define isometric drawing. Number 2, states 4 uses of isometric drawing. Number 3, draw an isometric image of a cube. We have come to the end of today's video. See you in the next lesson. Bye.